Olive Garden's garlic rosemary chicken. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon plus 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, divided. 1 head garlic, top sliced off. 4 chicken breasts, pounded ½ inch thick. Kosher salt. Freshly ground black pepper. 4 ounces cremini mushrooms, sliced. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, divided. 1/4 c. white wine. 3/4 c. chicken broth. 3 sprigs fresh rosemary. 5 ounces baby spinach. Juice of ½ a lemon. Mashed potatoes, per serving. Directions: preheat oven to 400 degrees. Drizzle a teaspoon of olive oil over garlic in wrapping foil. Bake until golden and soft, about an hour. Set aside to cool, then pick out cloves. Set aside. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, heat remaining 2 tablespoons oil. Season chicken breasts with salt and pepper, then sear until golden, about 8 minutes per side. Transfer to a plate. Return skillet to medium heat, add more oil if necessary, then add mushrooms. Season with salt and pepper and cook until slightly wilted, 5 minutes. Add butter and let melt, then stir in the garlic cloves, white wine, chicken broth, and rosemary. Bring to a simmer, lay back in chicken, and let simmer until sauce has reduced slightly, 6 to 7 minutes. Stir in spinach and lemon juice and let cook until spinach is slightly wilted, about 2 minutes more. Serve with mashed potatoes.